get caught in the rain with nowhere to run, when you just fall in the pain without anyone, will you keep crying out to be saved when nobody comes and you feel so far away that you just can't find your way home? You can get there alone, it's okay. What you say is, I can make it through the rain, I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to man. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tighter to my fate, and I live one more day, and I'll make it through the rain. And if you keep falling down, don't you dare give in. You will rise safe and sound. So keep pressing on steadfastly, and you'll find what you need to breathe in. What you say, I can make it through the rain, I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to make. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tighter to my fate, and I live one more day, and I make it through the rain. And when the wind blows, as shadows grow close, don't be afraid, there's nothing you can't face. And should they tell you you never pulled your road, don't be afraid. Still tall and say, I can make it through the rain, I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to make. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tighter to my fate, and I live one more day, and I make it through the rain. Oh, I can make it through the rain, can stand up once again, and I live one more day, and I'm gonna make it through the rain.